Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to take screenshots in Google Chrome incognito mode on Android phone. Let's have a look. First, open Chrome browser on your Android phone. In the address bar, type chrome:/flags. Then hit go. In search flags section, enter incognito screenshot. Tap the down arrow button beside default and select enabled. Tap relaunch button. Incognito screenshot enabled. Now open Chrome browser and go to New Incognito tab. You will now be able to take screenshots in any incognito tab in Chrome. That's it. These are the steps to take screenshots in Google Chrome incognito mode on Android phone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.